Good day, everyone. Our topic for tonight is the introduction to accounting information system. To begin our discussion and introduction to accounting information system, we will define certain items or terms that will help us later on understand what is accounting information system all about. Okay. The first term that we need to understand is what is a system. A system is a group of two or more, again, two or more components that interact to achieve goal or serve common purpose. For example, a yo-yo is a system because it composed two or more components. It cannot the system cannot achieve its purpose if one component is missing. For example, a string is a component, and then the yo-yo itself is also a component. Without the string, the yo-yo cannot achieve its purpose. Okay? So that's a system. A system is a group of two or more components that interact to achieve goal or serve common purpose. Another term that we need to understand are data and information. Sometimes people um, differentiate the different um, used data and information in the same manner, but there are certain differences, okay, or difference of data and information. Data are raw facts and figures that are processed to produce an information, meaning these are um bago, raw facts, parang first-hand information subject for processing. That is a data. While information, okay, is unorganized and processed data that provides meaning to users. So based on the two definitions, no, or the definition of data and definition of information, we can say that data is not useful to users because it is not yet organized, while an information is an organized data that can be useful to the users of particular information. So that is data and information. Okay? So in accounting information system, the output is the information while the inputs are the data. Okay? That's it. Okay? Next, objective of accounting information system. Okay, what is the objective of the of accounting information system? It collects, it collects, processes, and provides financial information needed by the management and other interested parties conducting and evaluating the business activities. Considering this is an information system, to be specific, an accounting information system, this information system collects data and process those data in order to provide a financial information. And this financial information will be helpful or to the management or to any interested parties in identifying certain problems, identifying solutions, and evaluating the business activities of the entity. So that is accounting. That is the objective accounting information system. Reasons why accounting is an information system. Okay, take note, accounting is an information system because whether it's manual accounting information system or computerized accounting for information system, take note, accounting identifies and collects, processes, and communicate economic information about a company using a wide variety of technologies. Okay, in accounting, we gather data, okay, in a form of documents. For example, if we want to know about the information on sales, we gather data in a form of a official receipts. The official receipts are the data that is subject to processes in order for us to summarize, okay, or process, and in order for us to determine the information that we can, okay, gather, okay, from that particular data. Second, it captures and records the financial effects of the company's transaction. Considering that this is accounting is a way of recording, okay, that is still an information system. Take note, we cannot process an inputs or the raw facts without recording it. Okay, take note, the recording phase of accounting is the process in order for us to come up with the information. The last reason why accounting is an information system, it ables to distribute transaction information to operations personnel to coordinate many key tasks. Okay? Because at the end of the process, of the accounting process, we can able to prepare an information, and this information are being distributed to certain personnel, okay, in order for them to identify, okay, the tasks, okay, or in order for them to identify whether or not they have able to achieve their objectives in the particular accounting period, and in order for them to evaluate themselves, okay, whether or not they were able to perform well. And it may provide solutions in order to um, unify the tasks, okay, of the different departments. Okay, so that's why accounting is an information system. Next, basic elements of accounting information system. Okay, an accounting information system must, shall include the following. First, procedures and statement of accounting policies and standards. We need, okay, in order for us to have a good accounting information system, or in order for an accounting information system provide a good information, it needs to follow certain procedures and accounting policies. Okay? Well, in accounting, we knew that there are accounting procedures and policies that we are um, following. Okay? Which are this includes the Philippine Accounting Standards, certain implementing rules and regulations on taxation. These are common procedures and policies and standards that we need in order for the accounting information system more uh, more applicable, and I would say the accounting information much much sabihin natin much ano ba to, nasa dila ko na, no, much for in order for the accounting information system much um, so that we can depend on the outputs of the accounting information system, I would say. Second element is records and reports. The accounting information system that we have, whether it's manualized or computerized, can able to record and produce reports. Okay? So it is a basic element of accounting information system. Another, the accounting information system has the bookkeeping system. It can able to record, classify, okay, transactions, whether or not it is accountable or non-accountable transactions, whether those items are considered assets, liabilities, equity, expense, and revenue. That is bookkeeping system. Another element for accounting information system to work is the personal. A personnel that is very much knowledgeable on the operation of accounting. Last, and the second to the last is the equipment and devices. Okay, for computerized information system, there must be a enough equipment and devices in order for that accounting information system to work. Okay, for example, um, a storage wherein all information and data gathered are intact. Okay, if that's manualized, well, part of your equipment, your calculator, pencils, worksheets, workbooks, those are equipment and devices, okay, that we need in order for the accounting information system to work on. Internal controls and security measures that safeguard the data in the AIS. So, for an accounting information system to be much reliable, okay, it is important that we secure the data and even the information that the system can produce. Take note that part of accounting is confidentiality. Okay? So in order for those data to be confidential, okay, to not to that people that does not need those data, and not only for that purpose, but for the purpose that the information and data will not be corrupted. Okay, it will not be corrupted by anyone else. Okay, so the accounting information system must no provide an internal controls and security measures that safeguard the data in the AIS. Characteristics of effective AIS. For an AIS to be effective for a certain accounting entity or business organization, the following shall be present. Number one, compatibility to the company's organization. Okay? We cannot use the accounting information system for a real estate industry to a merchant to a buying and selling company. Take note, these are two different industry and even two different organization. And these two different organizations have its own objectives, mission, um, goals. So take note, the accounting information system must be compatible with the company's organization. Second, provision of necessary reports. Take note, a good and effective AIS or accounting information system can able to provide necessary reports needed by the people in the organization. Okay? Um, the the board of directors has a different needs on the accounting system. Department heads has its own needs. So to to an accounting information system to be more effective for a certain company, make sure that it can provide necessary reports to each and every individual, okay, of the company, particularly those who are part of making economic decisions. Number three, effective AIS provides for controls. the accounting information system is more effective. It can able to, okay, no, give assurance that data gathered or fraud, should I say, can be protected. It can able to identify existing negligence, inaccuracies, and even fraud in the business organization. Adequacy of provision for audit trail. For an effective accounting information system, okay, um, to be an effective accounting information system, the system can able to generate um, documents with paper trails. Eh, by not simply, it can able to print the FS. Obviously, it can also provide the basis of the FS. Okay? For example, if the financial statement can able to provide the value of accounts receivable, well, it can provide also the subsidiary accounts of that particular accounts receivable. And at the same time, the subsidiary can also supported by certain documents. That is paper trail or audit trail. Okay. Next, presence of qualified and competent personnel. Well, even if the first four characteristics are present, the accounting information system will not be effective if the personnel handling or using that particular system is not um, qualified and competent. The accounting information system will not give a um, a good information and even reports. There is a particular example, okay, that happened. This is a real life story, no, okay, that in a particular company, um, there is a hired accountant, okay, an accountant, and then um, she was handling the accounting system of the company. The system was good. However, the information that the system can provide was not good or unreliable. It is because the one handling the system do not know how to navigate the system, and even, you know, he has a, a lesser knowledge on certain accounting procedures. So it is very much important that an effective AIS, no, to achieve an effective AIS, it is very important that the person navigating that particular system is qualified and competent enough. Number six, simplicity, flexibility, and favorable cost-benefit relationship. For an effective accounting information system, okay, the system must be simple. It is not very comprehensive, because if it is very comprehensive to understand, it will be difficult for the user, even though how competent he is, how qualified he is, but it is very um, complicated to understand the the AIS, the effectiveness of the AIS will not be achieved. Flexible, it means it can able um, to to um, um, it can able to gather information, no, at any information, in spite and despite of the changing accounting standards and policies. And it can also able to generate information in spite and despite of the changing tax code or the tax policies. Favorable cost benefit relationship, okay, for an effective AIS to be achieved, it must be cost efficient, okay. Kasi it is not effective for the company, okay, to incur great cost. In fact, the benefit from that AIS is not high, you know. So make sure that there is a favorable relationship of cost and benefit in order for us to have an effective accounting information system. Okay, those are the characteristics of accounting information system. Okay, how AIS can add value to an organization. AIS can add value to an organization because it improves the quality and reducing the cost of products or services. Yes, if there is an accounting information system, okay, or a system to gather data and to produce an information related to accounting, we can now eradicate the overlapping of jobs, no, or we can able to be efficient. Okay, so that's why letter B, it improves efficiency, okay, ano, on the part of the organization. The third one, sharing knowledge. The accounting information system can share knowledge, new knowledge, to the user and even to the person navigating that system. Letter D, it improves the efficiency and effectiveness of its supply chain. Okay? Letter E, improving the internal control structure. Because AIS can able to identify which control is weak or open to fraud, it can able to provide how are we going to eliminate, if not eliminate, minimize those fraud that may exist in the business organization. And lastly, because accounting information provide financial information, it can it can able to provide financial information at a timely manner, and then because of that, users can able to make decisions at a timely basis. Okay, so that's it. Those are the add value of an organization. So for today, hanggang dyan lang muna yung discussion natin as an introduction to accounting information system. Next meeting, or to our next video discussion, will focus on the difference of accounting information system and management information system. Also, we can um, we can also discuss the AIS subsystem, because accounting information system has three subsystems. Okay, and lastly, we will also discuss the elements of accounting information system, the AIS model, no, to the AIS model. So we will discuss the elements of AIS model provided by a certain individual, no. So that's it for today. Hopefully you can able to grasp talaga, no, you can able to understand, okay, the basic concepts that we need to learn, okay, in accounting information system. See you next meeting, and God bless. Keep safe, everyone. Thank you, and God bless, and see you next meeting.